Hello everyone, my name is Deadwolf and welcome back to another reaction video. Today I'm going to be reacting to Bats of Bone Bridge, Cicada Tape number 6, a dinosaur analog horror series. And I'm excited. I've been enjoying the Cicada Tape series, and I am sad that I've caught up, but I can't wait for future installments. This was another commenter suggestion, but as always, if you have any YouTube channel or YouTube video you guys want me to react to, let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to get to it. Alright, so let's continue down. Confiscation arc. Oh, that was too slow. Bone Bridge Pharmacy School. Alright. That's Bone Bridge. In this lesson, we will learn about the wonderful bats found in our town. Bone Bridge is home to around 4 species of bats, ranging from big to small. Oh, it's cute. It's a little cute guy. He's a little chubby. I like it. Every bat from the small pips to the large play crucial roles in our national environment. These fascinating creatures emerge at dusk to feed on I can't even read half that shit. Let's have a look at some of our local bats. Bat number 1. I don't know how to say that bat name. Oh, he's adorable. Sometimes called the water bat, are often seen just above our rivers and lakes. They use echolocation to hunt insects over the water, scooping them with their feet or catching them in their mouths. They're adorable. Sheesh. Yeah, this is a very peaceful video. Bat number 2. The nocturnal bat. Oh, look at the little guy too. He's kind of cute. The nocturnal bat is Britain's largest bat with wingspan. You can't see these bats in local farms in the back road. Invasive species. Uh-oh. Well, the bat's invasive species. Not all observed bats are native to the UK. Bone Bridge is home to 1 invasive species of bats. These bats were observed roosting around the abandoned buildings in our local woods. It's not known how or when they got into our local ecosystem. Are those the bats, or am I looking at like a turd or something? They seem quite a human presence. This is unusual for bats. Our customs. They hunt insects in swarms. Now back to peaceful music. Bat number 4. Huh. Let's see, I'm gonna see, like, I feel like I missed it, but I'm not 100% sure. Like, hang on, maybe if I slow it down, maybe, just maybe, we can see something. I'm trying to see if I can see something. Damn. Nope. Nope. Unless I'm blind, which I might be. But yeah. Alright, well, this was a pretty interesting video about bats. I'm trying to figure out what kind of, like, how this fits to the lore. Because it seems like so far. Is there a lore? I do wonder, like, you know, if there's a story they're trying to tell. Because right now it kind of feels like it's kind of all over the place, you know? Like surveillance. Not quite sure what that one's about. This one, not quite sure what what's about either, but I'm hoping it's gonna kind of like come back into future videos that Paleo Void will make. Because, you know, I think the first ones were kind of just about the Dilophosaurus kind of escaping after, you know, the Cicada organization made them. So I'm kind of curious on what the last three kind of mean. Alright, well, if you enjoyed the video, let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Bye.